Do what? Open the door? Why would I open the door?
So, what are we doing now?
Well, I think you know what we're doing. We're raising the car off the engine. We gotta take the front bumper off this.
So you got the cradle bolts off. Now you're taking the struts off?
Yep, because that's what's one of the last few things. Holding it in.
What's that thing people say when something's about to fall down?
Timber.
That was anticlimactic. She's on the ground. What do you think? Mm-hmm. I agree. What are you saying?
We're gonna just remove the brake lines going to the master cylinder, the Evap line, the fuel line. What were you gonna say?
You think it did any damage to drop down like that?
No, when it fell down, there's the transmission pan and the cradle hangs down low, so it didn't drop very hard either. Shift cable. So the only thing we gotta do is I gotta go get my fuel line disconnect tool. I've already unhooked all the heater hoses. All the electrical connections are already pulled back inside the cab. Everything else is, once we do this, we'll raise it up. We'll pull this out. We'll be good to go.
Okay. Well, Mike's going back to get his tools. Figured I would give a sneak preview of a lot of the other things that we have back here. Maybe that's something we can show if anyone's interested. More on this later.
Oh, okay.
What is it?
A PED. Actually, a pew.
Power extraction device.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna do PED, but it's better with a pew. Powertrain extraction unit.
That was close.
Okay, so brake lines are disconnected, fuel line is disconnected. We are going to have to do all these wires.
What did you say you were doing?
I gotta disconnect the exhaust. Which I've already cut the exhaust, but we gotta disconnect every. Yeah, so we don't want to film any of this.
I'm filming right now.
Whoa. People say, oh my god, you rented a car, there's no blah blah blah.
Well, you have 2 jack stands in the form of rims and 2 straps.
Disconnecting the exhaust, the O2 sensor back here. It runs underneath this heat shield.
But we need the O2 sensor for
It's the wiring really that goes to the O2 sensor.
when it's in the Fiero.
Yep. And there it is. Our beautiful powertrain, our DTS just gave birth to a pretty, let's see. Yeah, it's a boy. Yeah, it just gave birth. You know, we're the powertrain doctors. Okay. Gonna require 4-wheel drive. You'll have to hop on the ATV. I'm gonna have to help it. Go ahead. Yep, just go. Go. Oh, that's good. We need to get a little further so we can lower the car down. I just need to go get a jack, really. Put pressure. Let's just see if we can get a little bit further. Go ahead. Okay, that's good. That's got it. No, just take it off of. Hold on.
So this is the powertrain free from the car. In the weeks leading up to this, Mike drove this car back and forth to work, unplugging different systems as he went. Instead of installing the powertrain and then trying to figure out the electronics, we disabled the systems one at a time that would not be transferred to the Fiero. We will go into this in more detail in a future video, so please stay tuned.
Mike's going to hook those straps to the cradle, and then we're going to carry it inside the barn.
All right. Beautiful.
Uh-oh.
Just throw it in there anywhere, yeah.
Forgot you had these lovely sofas out here.
Huh?
I said I forgot you had these lovely sofas out here.
Yeah, they're gonna go
Free
in.
to a good home.
They're gonna go in, yeah. Yeah. Lightly used. Check it, see if it looks stable.
There we have it.